Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fun look using Morphe's Ashley Strong Affirming Magic Artistry palette. This collaboration is with Ashley Strong. She's really talented and you guys should check her out on Instagram if you have not already. But this palette is so pretty. I love the colors of this palette and the story that it's kind of telling. It's just very fitting. Like each shade just like works, you know, together. I know that it's not like that new anymore, but I still wanted to try it out and show you guys. I also have the Alignment Cake Liner palette as well, and I might use this. Honestly, it's kind of based off time, if I have enough time to use it, but I will try to so I can like at least tell you guys how I feel about this as well. But yeah, so we're gonna get into this palette. I'm gonna start by putting on the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and then I'll be right back. So now that I have my base on, I'm gonna go in with this color called I Am Focused. I'm gonna take I Am Focused on a Morphe M514 brush, and I'm just gonna place this color right here in my crease, but also a little bit above because I want it to be very exaggerated. So I'm gonna put it right above here, and then I'm gonna start to blend this out. So now that I have that color I Am Focused on, it's kind of hard to blend because it is a really dark color, but I'm going to take this color called I Am Calm, and I'm going to use that to help me blend it out a little bit further. And to do that, I'm going to be using a Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just going to go along the edges of this color and then blend it out. Next, I'm going to take this MAC Cosmetics Trompe l'Eau eyeshadow to, of course, blend out this blue a little bit more, just to blur the edges of it. And now I'm going to go back in with this color called I Am Focused because obviously it got lost in the mix of everything. So I'm going to go back with that color I Am Focused, and I'm just going to start in the crease and start slowly blending this out. Okay, blend it out like that. That is really pretty. This color I Am Focused did take a minute to blend out, not gonna lie, but it is a darker color, so the darker it is, I feel like the more difficult it is to blend out when you start it as your first shade. But it looks really pretty once it's finally blended. So yeah, I'm gonna do that on the other side and I'll be right back. Next, I'm gonna take this color called I Am Confident. Using the same brush, I'm going to take this color and start it off in my crease and blend it out, but I don't want to put it too far up just because it's already kind of dark and blended over there. So I'm just going to softly add it in. Lastly, I'm going to add this color called I Am Unstoppable. Using the same brush, I'm going to focus this color on my lash line here. I'm not going to bring it too far up because I don't want it to be like too dark, since it is like a matte black, but I'm just going to kind of focus it right here and blend it up. Next, I'm going to take some more of that Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and I'm going to use my Real Techniques domed shadow brush, and I'm going to use this to kind of create a soft cut crease. And I'm just going to apply it here, tapping it in, and then I'm going to slowly blend it up. Now I'm going to take this color, again, I Am Calm. I'm going to take this color on a BH Cosmetics number 12 brush, and I'm going to just fill in this space with this color. This color is really pretty. Next, I'm going to take a white eyeliner by Moira Cosmetics. It's their Precision Liquid Liner in white, and I'm just going to line my lid. I wanted to do something different. I am going to use black liner still, but I wanted to do the white eyeliner first. And for black eyeliner, I'm going to be using the M Cosmetics Illustrative eyeliner in black. And I'm just going to line right below it, below the white liner. And then next, I'm going to grab a little bit of I Am Confident and I Am Unstoppable to kind of blend it into the liner so that it kind of like looks seamless. And now I'm going to do the rest of my face, and then I'll come right back for the bottom eyeshadow. I don't think I'm going to have time today to use like Ashley Strong's Alignment Cake Liner Palette, but I will try to again sometime. If you guys really want to see it, let me know in the comments. But yeah, I'll be right back to finish my face. Okay, I'm back, and now I'm going to go in with that color called I Am Focused. And I'm going to take it on a Morphe 507 brush. And I'm just going to blend this underneath my eye here. Next, I'm going to grab this color called I Am Calm. And I'm just going to blend this a little bit underneath I Am Focused, just because I do want that to look a little extra blended. And then I'm going to go back in with I Am Focused just to bring it back to life because it definitely got lost. And now I'm going to take this color called I Am Confident, and I'm just going to put that right on top of I Am Focused. And then I'm going to take this color called I Am Unstoppable, and I'm going to focus this color on the end of my eye here. Last but not least, I'm going to take this color called I Am Kind, and I'm going to take this color on a IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe number 27 brush, and I'm going to put this color I Am Kind in the inner corner of my eye. I really love this color too. It's like I don't even know how to describe it. It's kind of like a nude color, like a nude yellowish color, like a pastel yellowish nude color. It's really pretty. Okay, and now I'm going to put on some lashes, and I have these little pearls I'm going to put on as well, and I'll be right back to show you guys the finished look. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I really love how it came out. I wish I could have done more with the look because I didn't have much time, but I really love this palette. It's really, really pretty. Of course, everything blended out flawlessly. I really like Morphe, and I love Ashley Strong. She's so talented, and this palette is just so beautiful, and everything blended out amazing. But yeah, I really love this look. I love the pearls that I added. Everything that I used will be in the description box if you're curious. But yeah, I love the way it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!